If you say senior has more experience than middle in an interview, you just failed the level question. Because seniority is not about years, and if you still think it is, you're probably not senior yet. Let's talk about what interviewers really want to hear. The question: what is the difference between a middle and a senior developer? This question often appears when you apply for a senior position, they doubt your level, they want to see how you think. This is not a theory question, it's a positioning question. What they are actually testing. They are testing, do you think like a senior, or are you just an experienced coder? Do you understand responsibility? Do you understand business impact? Because here's the uncomfortable truth. A middle developer writes good code. A senior developer takes responsibility for consequences. How to structure your interview answer. Your answer should clearly show 4 upgrades. From task execution to problem ownership. From writing code to designing systems. From following decision to making decisions. From personal contribution to team impact. If your answer doesn't include ownership and impact, it sounds middle. Strong interview answer example. Here's how you answer this in an interview. In my opinion, the difference between middle and a senior developer is not years of experience, but scope of responsibility. A middle developer can independently implement features and deliver tasks with good quality. A senior developer is responsible for defining solutions, evaluating trade-offs, and thinking about long-term system impact. Seniors make architectural decisions, identify risks early, mentor other developers, and take ownership not just for their code, but for the success of the feature or system. So the key difference is ownership, decision-making, and impact. That sounds senior. Why? Because you're talking about responsibility, not syntax. Weak answers that kill your interview. Let's be honest, these answers instantly downgrade you. Senior has 5+ years of experience. Senior knows more technologies. Senior writes cleaner code. Senior works without supervision. That's expected from a middle already. If your definition of senior is just better middle, you're not there yet. The brutal reality. Here's the real difference. Middle developers solve assigned problems. Senior developers decide which problems are worth solving. Middle developers think, how do I implement this? Senior developers think, should we implement this? What are the trade-offs? What can go wrong? What will this look like in 2 years? That's a different level of thinking. How to use this question to position yourself. This question is your opportunity. If you're applying for senior, speak as someone who already makes architectural decisions, mentor others, review design, not just code, think about scalability, understands business trade-offs. If you describe what seniors do, but never mention that you do it, that's a mistake. Subtly connect it to yourself. So next time they ask what is the difference between middle and senior, don't talk about years, don't talk about frameworks. Talk about ownership, talk about decisions, talk about impact. Because seniority is not about how much code you write, it's about how much responsibility you carry. Thanks for watching. If this helped you prepare for interviews, hit like and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next question.